Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best unicorn Switch case is probably one of the most adorable and functional accessories you can get for your Nintendo Switch. This case not only protects your console from scratches and drops but also adds a touch of magic to your gaming setup. With its vibrant design and practical features, this case is a must-have for any Switch owner who wants to combine style with protection. Get ready to dive into a world of color and fun as we explore everything this case has to offer. Number 5. SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro for Nintendo Switch OLED. This case offers military-grade protection, exceeding the MIL, STD, 810G 516.6 standard. It's made of shock-absorbing TPU and unbending PC to safeguard your device from drops and impacts. Featuring an ergonomic design with texturized edges, this case provides an enhanced grip. This allows for longer and more comfortable gameplay sessions. The case has exact cutouts, ensuring a perfect fit for your Nintendo Switch OLED. It allows easy access to all ports, sensors, and buttons. Installation is a breeze with the snap-on design. You don't need to remove it for charging, and it fits perfectly in the docking station. This case is specifically designed for the Nintendo Switch OLED model, released in 2021. It's the perfect accessory to protect your console. What we like? This case offers military-grade protection, ensuring your Switch OLED is safe from drops and impacts. Its ergonomic design provides a comfortable grip, perfect for extended gaming sessions. Moreover, it's dockable, so you don't have to remove it to charge or play on your TV. If you're looking for ultimate protection and comfort, this case is a great choice. What people say. The case is super cute and fits the Switch perfectly. It has a great design, and the zipper is smooth. The case is sturdy and protects the Switch well. Number 4. SUPCASE Unicorn Beetle Pro for Nintendo Switch 2. This case is engineered to military-grade standards, offering robust protection against drops and impacts. It features a raised bezel to safeguard the screen from scratches, ensuring your device stays safe during any adventure. Designed specifically for the Switch 2, this case allows for uninterrupted docking. You can easily charge and play without removing the case, providing ultimate convenience. The innovative hinge mechanism allows for quick assembly and disassembly of the Joy-Con controllers. This design protects the Joy-Cons from vibration and keeps them securely connected for extended use. The anti-slip rubberized texture improves handling during gameplay. The weight-balanced construction maintains the console's natural feel while adding professional-grade protection. Expertly crafted with a sleek, futuristic aesthetic, this case is made with eco-friendly materials. It's resistant to yellowing, fingerprints, and dust, keeping it looking great. What we like? This case boasts military-grade protection, safeguarding your Switch 2 from any potential damage. It features a revolutionary hinge mechanism for easy Joy-Con assembly and disassembly. And it's dockable, ensuring seamless integration with your console. If you are a gamer who values both protection and convenience, this case is ideal for you. What people say. The case is super cute and fits the Switch perfectly. It has a great design and is very sturdy. The case is a great way to protect the Switch. Number 3. Pink Unicorn Switch Case for Nintendo Switch. Looking for a cute gift for your little princess? This pink unicorn carrying case is a perfect choice. It's designed with a rainbow unicorn theme, sure to bring a smile to her face. The hard-shell EVA case provides strong protection for the Nintendo Switch console. The exterior is waterproof and scratch-resistant. It also includes a mesh pocket and game card slots. This soft TPU protective case cover is anti-shock and provides a better gaming experience. It's also dockable, so you don't need to remove it when charging or playing on the TV. The kit comes with 2 screen protectors to safeguard the screen from scratches. There are also 20 cute unicorn stickers for customization. It's a complete package. This accessories kit is designed to make the Switch more portable and travel-friendly. The hand strap makes it easy to carry anywhere. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us. What we like? This adorable case features a cute unicorn design that is perfect for your little princess. It comes with a full protection kit, including a grip case and screen protector, to keep your Switch safe. The dockable grip case is a great feature. If you are looking for a cute and functional case for your child, this is a great choice. What people say. The case is super cute. It fits the Switch perfectly and is very easy to put in and take out. The design is very pretty. Number 2. Pink Unicorn Switch Lite Case Kit. Looking for a cute gift? This pink unicorn carrying case is perfect for a little girl's birthday or Christmas. The design matches the Switch Lite coral, making it a stylish choice. This kit includes a hard-shell EVA case for maximum protection. It's waterproof, scratch-resistant, and durable. There's also a mesh pocket for accessories and game card slots. The crystal clear, glitter case shows off your Switch Lite's color while protecting it. Made of soft TPU, it guards against scratches and drops. It's easy to install and adds a touch of sparkle. The kit includes 2 screen protectors to keep the screen safe. You can also use the included unicorn stickers to personalize the case. It's a fun way to make it unique. The package includes a carrying case, protective cover, screen protectors, and stickers. This makes the Switch Lite more portable and travel-friendly. If you have any questions, customer service is available to help. What we like? This case features a charming unicorn design, perfect for Switch Lite owners. It is specifically designed for the Switch Lite, ensuring a perfect fit and full protection. It also includes a full protection kit, with a screen protector and stickers. If you have a Switch Lite and want a cute and protective case, this is the one for you. What people say. The case is super cute and fits the Switch perfectly. The design is adorable and the case is sturdy. It has a great design and is very functional. Number 1. Pink Unicorn Switch Case for Nintendo Switch. Looking for a cute gift for your little girl? This pink unicorn carrying case is a perfect choice. It features a rainbow unicorn design that she'll adore, making it a great birthday or Christmas present. This hard carrying case is made of durable EVA material, offering strong protection for the Nintendo Switch console. The exterior is waterproof and scratch-resistant. It also includes a mesh pocket and game card slots. The soft TPU protective case cover features a matching rainbow unicorn design and provides a better gaming experience. It's also dockable, so you don't need to remove it when charging or playing on the TV. The kit includes 2 screen protectors to safeguard the Switch screen from scratches. There are also 20 cute unicorn stickers for customization. The hand strap makes it easy to carry around. The package includes a carrying case, protective case, screen protectors, and unicorn stickers. This set is designed to make the Switch more portable and protected. If you have any questions, customer service is available to assist you. What we like. This case features a cute unicorn design that is perfect for your little princess. It comes with a full protection kit, including a grip case and screen protector, to keep your Switch safe. The dockable grip case is a great feature. If you are looking for a cute and functional case for your child, this is a great choice. What people say. The case is super cute and fits the Switch perfectly. It has a great design and is very sturdy. The case is very well made and protects the Switch well. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.